Here are 5 warning signs from the universe that you better not ignore. These warning signs are giving you an insight into possible trouble down the road. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. If you live in parts of the country right now where there are eagles, they are nesting. We don't have so many eagles here in Arizona, but we have a lot of hawks, and it's nesting season. And it's absolutely exciting because you'll see them very low to the ground. Anyway, high flyers, you are soaring high like a beautiful eagle or a hawk or whatever bird you love. And then all of a sudden you start noticing some warning signs. I'm going to share these warning signs, but first, I want to remind you that we've put together a free ebook for you. We're absolutely excited about it. How to make miracles, how to make miracles happen. You know, most people go through life and they never experience a miracle. You're about to experience miracles all the time. Get my free ebook. I'm very excited about it. I want you to have a copy of it absolutely free. We've put the URL in the description, so check it out. I know it'll help you bring miracles into your life. So, high flyers, people ask me, what are some signs? And we did one of these a while back ago. These signs are a little bit different because I've noticed that clients are mentioning these signs, and I just look at it as this. You are a co-creator of your reality. You're going to create the reality that you desire. If you desire a healthy marriage, an incredible relationship, abundance, money, that's what you're going to create. But the universe is your partner. And so the universe is getting on the phone, calling you and saying, hey, I want to share something with you. Maybe you're going a little bit off track. Think of it this way. When an airplane flies from the West Coast of the United States to the East Coast, it makes micro adjustments all the way there because the wind is pushing it one direction or the other. It's the same with manifesting. Vibrational energy, thoughts, different emotions will shift your direction one way or the other. So look out for these warning signs from the universe. It's the universe telling you, hey, look, you've got a little bit of a problem. Get on course, correct it, and get moving in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So, high flyers, warning sign number 1 is constant negative emotions. Now, I'm not just talking about your own negative emotions. It could also be people around you. All of a sudden, you notice your business partner or your mate or a friend. They're just negative all the time. And then you go somewhere else and someone else is negative. And then you talk to someone else and they're negative. If you're running into negative emotions, whether they're your emotions or someone else's, that's a sign from the universe that you've gone off course in the direction of your own dreams and goals. And so once you get back on, it's funny, this is crazy. Once you get back on course, you get your intentions clear and you start raising your vibration and moving in the direction of your dreams and your goals, all that negativity tends to go away. If other people were negative, they start being positive. If you were feeling negative, you start feeling very optimistic. So, high flyers, sign number 2 is an interesting little sign. Oh, excuse me, I dropped my pen. Oh well. And do you see what I'm saying? Mishaps. Mishaps happen, and they can be little mishaps, little fender benders, dropping your pen, breaking your watch. I don't know. Breaking a dish, dropping a food tray. That's embarrassing, by the way. But anyway, um, these mishaps are telling you that that smooth part of the water that you were sailing on isn't as smooth anymore. It's a little bit more choppy. And so you want to hold on a little tighter. You want to double check everything. You want to make certain that you're doing everything correctly, and then just allow it to flow. Allow it to flow. Just allow it to flow again. And those mishaps will go away. They'll disappear. Well, high flyers, number 3 is the 3 G's. Are you ready? Gossiping, griping, and ghosting. You're running into gossip. People are gossiping about you. They're griping about you. Why are you always late? You know, I mean, they're just griping about little things. You know, can't you clean up when you're done? And then they're ghosting you, which is sometimes very painful, right? Because all of a sudden you go, well, where are they? What happened to them? Did they disappear? And they did. It's called ghosting. And so when this happens, it's a sign that you've gone way off course, because you want to be associated with positive people, positive energy, positive vibration, positive feelings. And so when people are gossiping, if you find yourself gossiping and you get caught into that little, people start gossiping and pretty soon you're in that little whirlpool and you're gossiping, that's a sign, okay? Ignore that gossip and pay attention to the sign and move back in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, have you ever had anybody that when you were around them, it felt like they were sticking a straw in you and sucking out all your life force? Well, we call these people emotional vampires. That's what they are. They suck out your life force. If all of a sudden you're running into emotional vampires and everyone you talk to seems to be drawing your energy out, you get done talking to them and you go, oh my God, they just went on and on and on, and they never stopped talking. And they wore me down, and I just feel like I need a nap for about 10 hours. That's a sign that you've gone off course a little bit. Because you see, when you're on course, you're around positive people. You're around uplifting people. You're around high vibrational energy. So beware of emotional vampires. That's sign number 4. Well, high flyers, sign number 5 is that you are feeling lethargic and tired and wiped out. I don't know why I'm wiped out. I just got up a couple hours ago. I've had 2 cups of coffee. I got a lot to do. But it could mean that you're stressed out and you're feeling a lot of anxiety. And if that's the case, you are off track. Because you see, when you're on track, when you're moving in the direction of your dreams and goals, you feel excited. You feel motivated. You feel fired up. So there you go. 5 signs to look out for. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can do for your life. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Now, here's some other videos to help you on your journey.